सामा 100 बरस का पल की खबर नहीं, सामा 100 बरस का पल की खबर नहीं, आगा अपनी मौत से कोई बशर नहीं. Time once gone now returns, and the time wasted is wasted forever. And how important time is we all know, but to broaden our horizon about the importance of time, I'm calling Mr. Rizwan to the stage to deliver his speech about the importance of time. Mr. Rizwan.
Good morning, respected principal and my dear teachers. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to share my views about importance of time. It is rightly said that time and tide waits for none. Be it rich or poor, time waits for no one. We all are allotted a certain amount of time in our lives, and hence we must use it wisely. Time once passed can't be brought back. Time is precious. We must not waste it. If we utilize our time properly, it will help us to have a bright future. Whereas if we keep on wasting time by doing meaningless tasks, it can lead to failure. Time is more precious than money. Every person who wants to be successful must understand the value of time. We must plan all our activities to save time. Students can make a timetable to revise their syllabus so that it becomes easy to study during exams. Grown-ups also need to save time and utilize it for productive work. Doing the right things at right time is also important. It is said that time is the most precious gift you can give someone. Then why not give it to our loved ones? When we give someone our time, we give them a portion of our life that we will never get back. When we spend our time with our family, what we get in return is memorable moments of life. It is said that time is money, but we must note that if we lose money, we can get it back somehow. But if we lose time, it cannot be recovered by any way. If we look at the successful people in the world, we can see that they all value their time. They know that time is an important resource, but it is limited and not renewable. Hence, we should never waste our time and make the best out of it. Thank you very much.